Okay.
Go, go, go! Go! Go get Dada! Go get Dada! Come on! Come on! Yay! Yay!
I'm off the reserve. What do I do now?
Go get Dada! Very good! Very good!
Can you turn the light on in here?
We're so proud of you.
Very good, Stinky.
Go get Dada! Go get Dada! Go get Dada! Come on! Go get him! Go get him! Go get Dada! Go get Dada! Yay! Very good!
That's the biggest boy. Come on, buddies. What's this on the cord?
Oh,
David, look at
that cord.
Oh, it's the cord.
Go get the cord. Go. Go ahead.
Very good.
Playing with the door stopper.
Son? You a boxer?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Oops.
Well, there you go.
Oh well. No more. No more.
He already pulled the plastic piece off of there, which he could choke on, so
I
we
know.
took that away. David, what are you doing in the clothes hamper? Did you fall in there? Did your daddy stick you in that clothes hamper? Are you in? Are you hiding? Are you hiding from your dada? Are you hiding from your dada? Hey, Stinky! David. Where's David? There he is. There's David in the clothes. What are you doing in the clothes hamper? What are you doing in the clothes hamper? Where's David? There he is. Where's David? There he is. Where'd David go? Oh, there he is. Oh, buddies. Nice and warm in there, huh? In the clothes hamper. It's a big ball. So get this thing out of here. What, are you in your snow outfit? What are you doing in there? Can't even see you. And you're stuck because you can't get up, huh? Say dada. Say dada. Say, Mommy put me in this humongous jacket, and now what am I going to do? Say hi. You been fussy tonight? Oh.
We're gonna go see.
Good morning. Say dada. Dada. You want your binky, huh? Can you stand up? Come on, stand up. Oh, get up there. Good. Good job, Stinky. Very good. Oh, get those feet up. There you go. Dada. Dada. No. Dada. You say dada. 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 Dada.